Welcome back to my channel. This is K from Solo Record. Today I'm going to unbox the Smartwatch T20. As you can see, the T20 came with the black box with the model name and some feature printed on the box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. After you open the box, you can see T20 directly, securely in the foam cutout that keeps T20 safe. Let's put aside this smartwatch for now. After you take out the card out, you can see everything inside. This is a manual book that's written in Chinese and English. You get extra rubber tips for earphone. This is the cable charger for the smartwatch. USB-A to 4 pogo pins. Let's take a closer look to T20 Smartwatch. It has the black rubber straps. The T20 has a beautiful circular design. In the back of the smartwatch has a sensor and the 4 pogo pin for charger. Let's charge the smartwatch for now. As you can see, the magnetic is not strong enough. If you move the smartwatch while charging, the charging is suddenly stopped. This is one bad thing in this smartwatch. This smartwatch cost me around $33.5 US. I don't think that expensive for a smartwatch. The unique of this smartwatch, you get earbuds inside the smartwatch. The earbud is very light, and I think the build quality is not that good. You can charge the earbud inside the smartwatch. You can see the green light when you dock to the smartwatch. Let's take a closer look to the smartwatch feature. First, you need pairing the smartwatch to the handphone via the Bluetooth. Then you can use this brand fit application to control the smartwatch. In the main menu, you can see the counted step and your daily goal. Then move inside to the more features. You can see your smartphone connect to the smartwatch. You can also take a picture using the smartwatch. If you lost your phone, you can use the smartwatch to find it. It can also use the other way around. By hold the smart face, you can change the smart face. There are a variety of smart face you can choose. And if it's not enough, you can use the smartphone application to search more smart face. There are tons of smart face you can choose in the application. The next feature is control the music via the smartwatch. You can play, pause, next and back via the smartwatch. There are also volume control in the smartwatch. A stopwatch function. If you lose the manual book, there are QR codes in the smartwatch to connect to the application. There are only two options in the language, Chinese and English. You can set the brightness in the smartwatch. Using the smartwatch, you can measure the heart rate, blood pressure, and the oxygen saturation. But I don't think you can count with this measurement. To test it, I put it on the table, and this smartwatch can still get the measurement of the heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen saturation. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.